Welcome to our deep dive into the world of birds. Today we'll explore some incredible facts about these amazing creatures. From the icy poles to the heart of the rainforest, birds grace every corner of our planet. Their vibrant colors, enchanting songs, and remarkable behaviors have captivated humans for centuries. Birds are marvels of adaptation, exquisitely crafted by natural selection. Their feathers, lightweight yet incredibly strong, provide insulation, waterproofing, and the means to conquer the skies. From the needle-like bill of a hummingbird to the powerful talons of an eagle, each adaptation speaks volumes about their evolutionary journey. The instinct to reproduce is woven into the very fabric of life. Birds, with their intricate courtship rituals and unwavering dedication to their young, exemplify this primal urge. We'll witness the tireless efforts of parents, from the meticulous construction of nests to the relentless gathering of food. From the tiniest insect to the wriggling worm, the avian world boasts a stunning array of culinary preferences. Some birds, like eagles and hawks, are apex predators, while others, like parrots and finches, thrive on a vegetarian diet. As the seasons shift and the Earth tilts on its axis, a remarkable phenomenon unfolds. Birds, guided by an ancient instinct, embark on epic journeys, traversing continents and oceans in search of favorable breeding grounds and abundant food sources. This arduous undertaking is a testament to their resilience and the power of nature's rhythms. The dawn chorus, a cacophony of trills, whistles, and chirps, is a testament to the intricate communication network in the avian world. Songs serve as a beacon to attract potential mates, proclaiming their availability and genetic fitness. Calls convey warnings of danger, coordinate flock movements, and strengthen social bonds within a species. From the windswept plains of the Serengeti to the lush canopies of the Amazon, birds paint a vibrant tapestry of life. Their plumage, a kaleidoscope of colors and patterns, serves as camouflage, a signal of status, and a tool for attracting mates. We'll encounter birds of all shapes and sizes, each uniquely adapted to their specific ecological niche. Flight, the defining characteristic of birds, is a marvel of evolutionary engineering. Their wings, powered by strong muscles and adorned with aerodynamically designed feathers, allow them to soar to breathtaking heights and navigate dense forests with agility. We'll explore the different types of flight, from the effortless soaring of albatrosses to the lightning-fast dives of peregrine falcons. While often overlooked, the cognitive abilities of certain bird species are truly remarkable. Crows have demonstrated an uncanny ability to solve complex problems, using tools to access food and even recognizing individual human faces. Parrots, renowned for their mimicry skills, possess a surprising capacity for language learning and comprehension. Birds, sensitive indicators of environmental health, are facing unprecedented challenges. Habitat loss, driven by deforestation and urbanization, robs them of their homes and food sources. Climate change disrupts their migration routes and breeding cycles. Pollution, from pesticides to plastics, contaminates their food webs and weakens their populations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of birds. By supporting conservation efforts and reducing our environmental footprint, we can ensure that future generations inherit a world where these feathered marvels continue to grace our skies. Let us act as stewards of their future, for in their survival lies the health and well-being of